Going to do some technical analysis breakdown on Nvidia today. So a little bit of a nasty day on Nvidia, as we've been seeing. As you know, we came off those highs 346 going all the way back to November. Just been consistently making these lower highs here. Looks like, the whole market on the tech side just going into this bit of correction territory here. So the triple Qs today looks like probably in the after hours session or maybe even pre-market will get down there and test that 200-day moving average. That's going to be a pretty significant level for the rest of the growth stocks and a lot of these mega caps in the Nasdaq 100. So, what I want to focus on here on Nvidia, a couple of guys in the Discord, including myself, were able to capitalize on this flush on Nvidia. So, congratulations to everyone who caught this move to the downside. The level that I had put in the Discord, by the way, if you guys are not a member of that Discord, you guys can join completely free of charge. That link is down in the description box below. I also do have a paid service where I kind of call out my watch list and signals and kind of just what I'm looking at intraday, along with my trading course on evolutiontraders.com. But with that being said, the level that I had marked out from yesterday, that 256.26, yesterday's lows, if we could confirm yesterday's lows and kind of take out this whole channel here from the 10th of January, potentially we had a flush. So we got that flush. We got all the way down to 250. You can see how that trade worked out perfectly. We did get this initial pump here and we got rejected off the 5-day moving average. So anytime we get rejected off the shortest term sentiment, that's going to tell you who's in charge, who's the boss. And right now the bears are in control of Nvidia and Nvidia's price action. So as soon as we got that washout through 256 was a perfect short opportunity, looking for 2 to 3 points down. With that being said, Nvidia did flush another 5 points after the pivot. So pretty good little trade there. So what I want to look forward on Nvidia is if we do get some sort of dead cat bounce tomorrow, what I'm keeping my eye on is getting rejected at 261 or 265. Those are going to be the two big levels. I know that those are 10, 15 points away, but that's the trading range, and that's how big of a range that Nvidia has right now. So if we do get a bounce, you can play the bounce. You're going to use today's lows as your absolute stop, and then you can look to take profits into that 360, that 260 to 265 range, depending on what the market's giving you. Obviously, you're going to want to keep your eyes on what the futures are doing. You want to keep your eyes on what the overall market is doing. If the overall market is washing out, you're not going to want to be long in a stock just because that one particular stock looks good, because at any given moment, they can pull the rug and that stock can pull them very aggressively, especially on these Nasdaq 100 stocks. Now, if we do get any sort of bounce, but you're not looking to play the bounce, you're looking for maybe the washout. What we want to see tomorrow is a red open or a flat open. We want to see green move off the open here, and then we want to see us come into one of these areas of resistance, and then we want to see us start to curl around. As soon as we start to curl around, there's one of two plays that you can take it. You can take the play here off the rejection and kind of use that play to the top side as your stop, or you can let this get rejected, come all the way back down, and when we lose today's lows at around $250.57, you can take the short position here with an initial price target of around $240. So you're going to not obviously catch the whole move, but you're looking to catch 2, 3, 4 points off that initial flush through today's lows. I hope that helps. If you're a long-term investor, maybe you're looking to add this to your portfolio. I really wouldn't add anything now, because right now we're underneath supply and we're above demand. So we're in the middle, floating around in outer space. So I really wouldn't want to take anything. I really wouldn't want to take anything in the middle of its range. So we either need to get back over the 5-day moving average, which that price is going to be around 265 on a daily close, or we're going to need to come down here into this 240, 241 zone. And I think this would be the area of opportunity where you're going to want to potentially bounce this stock. So with that being said, I hope that helps. If you want to join that Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all on the next video.